What's the meaning of consequence? Consequence. Consequence.
Consequence. Consequence. The word consequence refers to the outcome, result, or effect that follows a particular action or event. It is the result of a cause and can be positive or negative. Consequences may be immediate or take time to become apparent. They can also vary in magnitude, from minor to significant. Understanding the consequences of our actions is essential for making responsible decisions and avoiding negative outcomes. In summary, consequence is the result or effect that occurs as a direct or indirect result of an action or decision.